Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to create a demo account on IC Markets. Right now we are here on IC Markets. I created an account and then after that we go to accounts. Then right here we click here on open new demo account and then after that we click here on MT5, raw spread or standard, what you want. I want a standard account. The currency is USD, but we can change it if you want to, but I like USD. The leverage is 1 to 30, so you can decide which one you need. Now, 1 to 30 is fine. And I want 100 grand standing on this account because this is a demo account. Then we click right here on proceed. And then if we are refreshing this page, you will see right here that we are having a new account. They send the login details to your email address. So if you want to trade with it right now, you need to check your email address. But this is how you can create a demo account on IC Markets. So hopefully this was the video where I was looking for. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.